Hey, what's going on today, guys? My name's Trey. Welcome back to the channel. And this time I've got a new intro for the channel because we are here in sunny, beautiful Germany. Yes, we made the long trip. We finally made it. It's been a pretty hectic day. We started in Honolulu, connected in Seattle, then we connected in Amsterdam, and then that finally brought us here to Stuttgart. We picked up the rental car, which it actually worked out pretty well. We got this huge van, which let me show you right now. This thing is huge. We had a ton of luggage, so luckily they hooked us up with this awesome, huge Ford van. Now I want to go ahead and take you guys into our Airbnb to show you how life is here in Germany. So let's get into it. Let me give you guys a little view of the backyard and the neighborhood. Really, really nice place. So this is the living room that you walk into. By the way, when I was mentioning the luggage earlier, we literally packed so many bags because I don't think it would have fit otherwise, but this is it. Oh my gosh. If you guys have been around the channel, you guys know how much I love my Herman Miller chairs. Really nice Herman Miller chair here. Let's check out the kitchen. Pretty nice kitchen. One thing I think is pretty cool about living in Europe or owning a house in Europe is that their fridges don't look like any fridge that you'll find in the US. So obviously this looks just like a cabinet, but this is a fridge. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Got a fireplace. There's some wood outside as well. Might have to fire that up. Okay, this is a 4-story house. This is the basement down here. I'm not gonna really focus on that too much. All right, let's head upstairs. Let me show you guys the bathroom first so you can get an idea of that. Has a tub in it, which is really nice. My wife is gonna love that. And then this is actually a shower back here. This is the door to get in, but this is a shower right here. So basically what you do, you just pull these doors out like such. Something that I've never seen in the US at all, but boom, you got your shower just like that. Pretty cool. Of course, you got your traditional European handles for flushing. Don't have those in the US. Got some additional storage here, which is nice. Pretty cool. All right, let's head back out. This is one of the kids' rooms, or I guess this could just be a second bedroom. Lots of space. Really nice. This is like a twin size bed. So not huge, but you could definitely get like a queen in here. Or honestly, this would make a nice YouTube studio. Got a nice room outside. All right, let me take you guys into our room. Hey, look who it is. Hey, where we at? Tell them where we're at, buddy. Tell them we're in Germany. We're in Deutschland. Say hi. Hi, babe. See how tired everybody is. But basically, this is it. This is the room. This is actually a big room. This is bigger than our master in Hawaii. So, yeah, this is it. Got a nice view of the neighborhood. All right, guys, I gotta wrap up this tour because I gotta change this little guy's diaper. Okay, let's go ahead and head up to the 3rd floor. Well, I guess the 4th floor, which is going to be the attic. And honestly, guys, this is probably my favorite part of the entire place. This is just so cool up here. Really, really cool. So this is one of the rooms up here. Or like I said, you know, this could be a YouTube studio. And then they do have a bathroom up here as well. Or I guess a makeup room, whatever you want to call it. But man, I love this place. I wish we could stay here permanently. It's a pretty cool place. Nice view. And that's gonna do it for me, guys. I know that was a quick video. I am super exhausted. I gotta go down, take care of my son Golden and my wife. We gotta get some rest. But I'm excited to be here in Germany. I can't say that enough. I'm really excited to be here, and I'm excited to take you guys on this journey with us. So stay tuned for more content, more German-related content. I'm excited to check out Stuttgart Mitte. I'm excited to get into town, try all the different food and drinks and shops, and I'm really excited to bring all of that to you guys. So thank you all for the love and support. Hawaii, I miss you so much. You'll always be in my heart. But as always, thank you guys for the continued love and support. Thank you. Mahalo for watching. Well, you know what? I'm in Germany now, so maybe I should switch it up. What do you guys think about thank you and Auf Wiedersehen? What do you think? Which one sounds better? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below what outro you think I should do. But as always, thank you guys for the love and support. See you later. Bye.